back here on Tom and George's 300, you know, Miss Monique. Tom was able to find a new defroster vent in excellent condition. So we just popped that back in and it's ready to go. Now we're going to start getting the rest of the dash reassembled. Wes is having fun. All of the fun.
Oh yeah.
We're also going to dig into the radio a little bit. Yay. Ooh, bread tie. We know whose call sign that is. We won't say their name out loud. Let's just say it's the first half of O-Matic. Anyway, we'll put this back together. We got to figure out the AC, see what we got going, see if it's the system itself, see if it needs charged, what have you. But plugging away.
That fucking air coil looks pretty good.
I know.
Better than the Monaco's.
Are you having flashbacks of Kent's?
Oh, but
Passenger side sunlight switch for the door. Yeah, the tabby sheared off. So just need to order one. Thankfully these are common. Look at that. He's looking pretty. Not you, Wes, the dash.
yeah, that's pretty.
Wes is like, huh? That dash pad is in. It was very sticky, but Tom spent a lot of time cleaning it. It's real nice now. It's not gooey, sticky, slimy, gross. So that's in. We're getting ready to put duct and speaker grill trim back. And then it's all this fun and games in here. Yay! So while Wes is working on... Wes, what are you doing? That's the wrong side.
Huh?
That goes over on that side. That's passenger side, too. So while Wes works on the dash, getting ready to put that in. Look how nice this is, by the way. I'm going to be putting in the NOS battery cables that Tom has had. Bam. So that's going to go right there. We're going to say bye-bye to all that. Bye-bye to that crusty. Bye-bye to that hack work there. And it'll be nice. Like that. Wessy's got the passenger side dash in. Now the duct work. That's your next mission, my friend.
Mm-hmm.
Ducts. And then we will mess with this over here.
Duck, goose.
Duck, duck, goose? Duct, goose?
Mm-hmm.
All right, then.
Pitter patter.
Duct. Glove box door. Coming along, sir.
Did you want to leave this side open so you can AC work?
Yeah. Yeah, that's why we need to do ducts.
Okay.
And then cluster. And then once the cluster's in, we can access the AC controls without them being in the dash. We can do all that, then we can mess with the radio. All right, so down here, getting ready to undo the cables from the starter right there. And I notice the box is alarmingly wet. Well, the tray that is under here is full of power steering fluid. So we're probably going to be pulling the box. Not today, next time we're over. But first thing first, we're going to get these cables done and checked out. So while we had the dash out, Tom went and detailed it out for the cluster. It looks amazing. So now I'm going to assemble the cluster to the dash panel, put all the switches in, and install our clock. And this will be ready to go into the car. And that, my friends, is a beautifully assembled instrument cluster with clock. Looks great. Wes, I like it. Tom did really good on the details.
Yeah, he did.
That's how he rolls. Love it. Beautiful.